On March 21, 2025, a high-risk confrontation unfolded inside a St. Louis County home. Officers from the South County Precinct arrived at a residence on Hawkins Bend Drive to arrest 38-year-old Alexander Lannis in connection with a harassment and vehicle tampering investigation. But when they tried to take him into custody, Lannis resisted and pulled a handgun. What followed was a desperate struggle inside the home as officers attempted to disarm him. After failed de-escalation attempts and a taser deployment, both officers were forced to open fire. What you're about to see is a detailed account of the encounter that turned violent in an instant. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yes, hello?
Hey, Dr. Lannis.
Hi, come on
Hi.
in. How are you guys?
Hey, good. Do you mind stepping out for us for just a minute? I'll explain to you everything that's going on. And I'll be honest with you, I know you got a lot going on.
Yeah.
Personal life and everything like that.
Yeah.
And we talked on the phone, I guess, maybe a couple weeks
yeah.
ago or something like that. There's actually you and Officer here.
Hi.
So maybe you do, maybe you don't. At the end of the day, we've got some stuff we got to take care of.
Okay.
I want to give you a courtesy as long as you give us a courtesy, okay?
Sure.
At this point, though, we do have enough. If you mind stepping out for us really quick, okay?
Oh, okay. Just a second.
No, well, we need you to step out now.
Just a second, sir. Yeah, just a second.
Go ahead and step on out for us.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Can I take a minute?
Well, we need you to step out now. Here, step on out to the front porch, okay? Because you are, at this time, are being placed under arrest. Okay?
Really?
I'll walk you through everything, okay?
Oh, God.
And everything like that. I don't want to cause a scene here at your residence, okay?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, everyone's got cameras.
Yeah.
And people, we don't want that. Okay, so
Wow.
just step out for us. We'll walk you to the car.
Okay, wow. Give me just a second. Holy shit.
Okay.
Wow.
Well,
We'll explain the process to you and everything. And we're not, we're going to take you to the station. We're not going to take you down to the jail. I mean, we'll see, but
well,
we have to do this. There's no
Really?
there's no really avoiding it. We have to.
yeah, we know you got a lot going on. I'm not trying to put any more work
Yeah.
or anything like that
Yeah, I
on you.
understand.
Okay, but
It's best we just get it out of the way now, though, and then you can handle what you need to handle. But our hands are pretty tied. We have to.
but let's get this over with so it's not looming anymore. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Just give me just a second.
Okay.
What's this? Is this about the other day at the park? Is this what's going on?
Well, we'll be happy to talk to you, but we gotta do some stuff. So go ahead and step on out for us, okay?
Okay.
I understand you got
Okay, just a second.
Yeah, one resisting. Get on the ground. Drop the gun. Wake up, boy. Drop the gun. Drop the fucking gun. No. Drop the gun! Please don't do this! Please drop the gun! No! Drop the gun! Stop! Please stop! Don't do this! This isn't worth it! This is not worth it! I promise you it's not worth it! It's not worth it! Drop the gun! Please! No! Please drop the gun! No! Drop it, you're gonna die! Drop it now! Please drop the gun! Holy fuck! Drop the gun! Use the gun! Holy fuck!
14 up there, we got shots fired. We need resident officers here now.
Drop the gun!
Start an ambulance.
What's this? Is this about the other day at the park? Is this what's going on?
Well, we'll be happy to talk to you, but we gotta do some stuff. So go ahead and step on out for us, okay? I understand you got to take
Okay, just a second.
Recording muted. No longer muted.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! No! No! Drop the gun! Don't do this! Please drop the gun! No! Drop the gun! Stop! Please
Sending
stop!
body worn down in 30 seconds.
This isn't worth it! This is not worth it! I promise.
Sending body worn down in 25 seconds. Body worn down canceled.
Drop the gun! No! No! Please drop the gun! No! Drop it or you're gonna die! Drop it now! Drop the gun! I'm caught! Why? Oh! Fuck! Drop the gun! Move the gun! Oh, fuck! 1403, we got shots fired. We need resident officers here now. We got one down. Officers are in the ambulance. Drop the gun!